Hi, my name is Isabella Hill with Broadway Family Karate, and I'll be demonstrating how to do the axe kick. So the axe kick is in a front stance, and all you do is swing your leg up and down like you would swing an axe with some wood. So you go to front stance first with your guard up, bring it all the way down and straight down. This is it from the side. And you really only need to bring it up to where your knee is, but So first, I'm going to touch and push. Just finding it with my heel. Okay, and then you can just add greater power with it. Okay, if you want to go. So again, just touch and push. Touch and push. And then add more power with it. And that was the axe.